Yeah, bringing you another disturbing creation from the mind of one sick and who can't tell the difference and gets stupefied. And I've been waiting my whole life for just one rock, and all I needed was just one rock. How can you say that you don't give a rock? I'm myself stupefied, coming back again.